everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can create a text file with TextEdit on macOS. Normally when you launch TextEdit on your Mac, it opens as an RTF editor, and files created in this editor are not saved as .txt files because it's an entirely different format. In fact, that format isn't even listed in the Save As dialog. So what you need to do is you need to go to TextEdit's Preferences. The Preferences window has these two tabs. You want to select the New Document tab, and here, select Plain Text. After this, open a brand new document in TextEdit, and you're going to get an entirely different interface. The interface is very simple right now, and when you save the file, you can see that it lets you save it in the .txt file extension. Any new documents that you create in TextEdit are going to be created as plain text. If you want to go back to the rich text editor, what you need to do is again go to the app's preferences and select this rich text option here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.